I did Tommy the Tommy and Train and Tommy Train Tommy. So they do Donnie Boo usually called Cartoon Network. Is that Donnie Boo is the network called Cartoon Network. So I need to show you that. So guess who are Kabillion. Don the Donnie Boo are Kabillion. L the Y. Why doesn't move? Why doesn't move? The other like 2,000 the why could be why doesn't move? Probably do a Kabillion. It's probably a Cartoon Network. Why? So Donnie Boo is a Kabillion now. I mean, I don't think no longer gonna be a Cartoon Network no more. So I would think Donnie Boo gonna move to Kabillion or Cartoon Network. I would think Donnie Boo. He gonna think of Kabillion, yeah. Yeah, Donnie Boo are deal. So I about walked on it at there. I about walked on it at I found Donnie Boo like a billion. And why Donnie Boo do here? Why Donnie Boo like a billion? Probably a Cartoon Network and not a billion. I go try to get Donnie Boo. You know I will be Cartoon Network on YouTube. So we comment. Donnie Boo should be a Cartoon that Cartoon Network. But I about watch Donnie at right now. Bye. Okay, take care, yo.